There was a very good investor in India who passed away recently, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and he never managed money, outside money, and he had probably less than $500 to his name when he started his career. He didn't live that long, actually died in his early 60s. And when he passed away, his net worth was north of 6 or 7 billion. No fees. These are all, organic. And he didn't run companies. These are all, passive investments. Half that money was from one company. So he made a 4% bet a few decades ago in a company called Titan Industries in India, which ended up becoming more than half his portfolio. And Titan has done extremely well over the years, going to keep doing well. So if you think of someone like Rakesh's portfolio, let's say the other 96% of the portfolio went to zero. He just hung on to his Titan. Well, he still end up with like 3 billion or something, And so we start out, I would say, not that concentrated. But if the job is done right, you would end up very concentrated. So one of the things I always kind of scratch my head about is that, these very smart investors would buy MasterCard after the IPO. And, they might be more diversified than me. Maybe they might have 20 positions, which is fine, no problem. And so MasterCard is like a 5% position. And then it does really well and it becomes a 25% position or a 30% position because it's done so much better than everything else. Like Jack Nicholson said, they can't handle the truth. And in some cases, their grandmothers took away certain body parts when they were 13. So, they're done. Well, it gets to 15% and they trim. It gets to 17, they trim again. And it never gets to even 20%, right? And to me, I really scratch my head about that. So yes, you get a diversified portfolio, but you're cutting the flowers and watering the weeds. And that's not what Rakesh Jhunjhunwala did, and that's not what Warren Buffett did. I think if an investment manager has done the job right, they're going to end up with 80-90% of their net worth in one stock.
Mohnish Pabrai emphasizes the importance of letting your winners grow rather than over-diversifying or trimming successful investments. By allowing a strong performing stock to dominate your portfolio, as Rakesh Jhunjhunwala did with Titan, you can achieve significant wealth over time. The idea is not to cut the flowers and water the weeds, but to maintain conviction in your best investments. True success comes from concentrating in exceptional companies and letting them flourish.